Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Tyler.
And I'm David. Great to have you here with us.
Today, we're going to practice something very useful, ordering coffee in English.
Yes, this episode is called How to Order Coffee in English, Cafe Conversation Practice, Beginner Friendly.
We'll use simple sentences you can use in real life.
So next time you go to a cafe, you'll feel more confident.
Don't forget to subscribe and practice with us every week.
All right, Tyler, let's start.
Okay, first sentence. Can I have a coffee, please?
Repeat after me. Can I have a coffee, please?
Great. You can also say, I'd like a coffee.
Let's say it slowly. I'd like a coffee.
Nice. Now let's add size. I'd like a small coffee.
Or, I'd like a large coffee.
Repeat. I'd like a small coffee.
Good job. Now let's try a mini conversation.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure, small or large.
Large, please.
That's $5.
Here you go.
Did you hear that? Very simple and natural.
Let's practice one more useful question. Can I get a latte?
Repeat. Can I get a latte?
And maybe one more coffee for me. I'm still sleepy.
Same here. Coffee is very important.
You're doing great practicing these phrases.
Let's review today's key phrases. Can I have a coffee, please? I'd like a coffee. Small or large? Can I get a latte?
Amazing work today. These phrases will really help you in real life.
Keep practicing out loud. It makes a big difference.
You're already improving.
Now tell us, what's your favorite coffee?
Do you like lattes, cappuccinos, or black coffee?
You can write it in the comments.
See you next time.
Bye!